In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to import CSV files inside of Jira. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to Jira like you usually would, and then log into your account. Now from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll need to find your specific project that you want to import the CSV file to, and once you do that, you'll need to click on the project. Now from here you'll be able to see your entire project like so, and from here you'll need to go up to a list over here, and from here you'll need to go down to the right hand side and go over to where it says more actions. Now from here you'll see this page right here where I can import work item from CSV. Once you click on that, a new page will pop up like so, and as you can see you can import your CSV source file by clicking on right here and then choose your specific file inside of your library. Once you've found it, you'll simply need to click open, and as you can see now my jira.csv file has been imported. Now from here you'll need to click whether or not you want to use an existing configuration file, and you can choose your configuration file right here by clicking on the choose file button, or you can just leave it out blank. From here you'll simply need to click next, and from here you'll need to import it to a project, and now from here you'll be able to choose the specific project that you want to import it to. You can add the file encoding, you can add a date limiter, and a date format. Once you've done all that, you'll simply need to click next, and once from here it should look something like this. Now from here you'll see a summary of your entire CSV file, and once you have edited all this to how you seem fit, you'll simply need to click next. Once you click next, you'll be able to click import, and then from here all of these issues and CSV file will be imported into that specific project. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please send them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!